at the Collision family. My name is Seymour from Cornwall, England. I'm 15 years old and I've been playing as an independent drummer for about 7 or 8 years now, so quite a long time for my age. I've recently, this past year, just joined a band called The Pale Haze. You can find us on TikTok and Instagram. We're a psychedelic rock band from Cornwall. We haven't got any gigs yet. We've just started up and we're recording music for our upcoming albums. I personally love Collision because they're more of a family than a brand. Particularly in these sticks, I play a Collision 5AR stick. I think these sticks are perfect because of the length. It gives that extra little bit of reach for those cymbals. I think they're weighted perfectly. Like, I'm very fussy with my drumsticks. I have to weigh them and they need to be perfect. These are perfect. The durability is crazy, absolutely insane compared to the other brands. I've been searching for a decent pair of drumsticks for a good 3 or 4 years now, and the last year I've picked these up and instantly you can just feel the difference. Like, you can just feel the difference as soon as you pick them up. My usual style of playing is normally metal, as you can see by the double bass kit. I'm going to play you a quick little clip of me playing Slit Your Guts by Cryptopsy.